Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's been a long time since any of you have seen me here on the channel, and I am so excited. I got this email, it was a while back, Carnival Cruise, and they are putting out the numbers of their return to cruising. And it's crazy. I find it amazing that in 3 months, 98 I think it's 98 days of cruising and what they have done. How many hamburgers? How many people? It's nuts. You know, you think there's only a few ships out there. Can you imagine the whole fleet? You know what? Let me read them off to you, and we'll have a look too, and you can see with your own eyes what the numbers actually are. It's nuts. So Christine came out with this in 98. Okay. 98 voyages sailed in the first 3 months. Okay, out of that, 98 voyages, let's see what they've had. 237,000 guests. 237K. 237,000 guests and 98 cruises in 3 months. It's a lot of people. 99% of those guests used online check-in, and 499,000 guys' hamburgers were served. 499,000. That's a lot of hamburgers. But you know what? If I one of those cruises, I probably would have been about 700,000 hamburgers. And the ones with the one onion ring on them. And chocolate melting cake. And that's something I'm crazy about. I know other people are just nuts about it. And that's what they look for, and they have it every day they're on the cruise. Never mind the calories, right? Anyway, 323,000 chocolate melting cakes have been served in 3 months. 3 months. That's a lot of chocolate. And beer. 608,000 beers have been served in this length of time. 8,000, get this, $1,000 jackpot winners in the casino. 8,000 people, or 8,000 winnings of $1,000 prizes. That's on the slot machines. That's on the tables. That's on slot machines. And get this one. Carnival branded merchandise. T-shirts, like this here type of thing. Hats, whatever, keychains, pens. 220,000 items. I guess none of those are going to be collector's items down the road, are they? And get this, 97% of cabins downloaded and used the Hub app. 97% of the cabins. 75% checked in for dining on the app. So, you know, you're going for the dining room and whatever, I guess your specialty meal up in the restaurant, up in the steakhouse. That's a lot. 50% of cabins utilize utilize the chat. I never have. I don't know about you. If you have used it, tell me down below that you've used it and how it worked for you, and you know why you used it. I guess you had other people on the ship that you were in different cabins, or other family members or friends in the same cabin. You were getting in touch with them. Oh, where you at? You know, and I had a beer over here. Come on, come over and get a beer. Got you a beer. Maybe, I don't know. 40% of shore excursion purchases made on the app. 40%. 11,000 guests. Can you imagine that? 11,000 people have ridden on the Bolt. 11,000 on the Bolt roller coaster on the Mardi Gras. Brand new. No others at sea like this. 7,000 spa treatments, and shore excursions taken by guests. 180,000 shore excursions. That's a lot. So as you can see, you want to choose fun, you go to Carnival. And to me, those numbers are outstanding, considering that, especially considering the amount of ships that are sailing right now. Not that many of them. I can't remember how many of the whole fleet, but there are not that many. And can you imagine when it gets going full blown out here? It's going to be crazy. Going to be a lot of people. You should get your cruise booked. Remember too, if you buy into Carnival stock, if you are a shareholder, you know, spend a little bit of that money you got saved up and not getting any interest on the bank. Buy some Carnival stock. Watch it. Make it drop down a little bit in value. Buy it because you're going to get your room credits. Yes, room credits. So for a 7-day cruise, 7 days, that many, you are going to get a $100 room credit. I've got a back-to-back booked. I got $100 on the first cruise, and I don't know why it is, but I got even more on the second cruise, more than 100. And that's in American money. I'm Canadian, so add another 20 to 30% on top of that in value. That adds up to a few bucks. And now I'm going to go on these cruises, and I'm going to have to sit back and I'm going to have to look and say, what am I going to spend my money on? Money that they're giving me. Free money. Tax-free. Alrighty, everybody, thank you for watching. Up with a thumbs up. Remember, thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that bell. Ding, 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 ding. Get notices whenever I get out here and provide you with another interesting and informative video. Thanks again.